Let's get your Spectrum cable box hooked up to your Roku TV using an HDMI cable. First, locate the HDMI output on your Spectrum cable box. It's a standard port. Then find an available HDMI input on your Roku TV. These are labeled HDMI 1, HDMI 2, etc. Connect the HDMI cable between these ports. Once connected, power on both your Spectrum cable box and your Roku TV. On your Roku TV, go to Settings, then TV Inputs. Select the HDMI input you connected the cable box to. This allows your Roku TV to receive the signal from the Spectrum box. Now you should see your Spectrum channels on your Roku TV. With the HDMI connection established, you need to set up the live TV input. Navigate to Settings, then TV Inputs, then Live TV on your Roku TV. Ensure your Spectrum cable box is powered on and connected to a wall outlet. If you don't see a picture, double-check that the HDMI cable is securely connected to both devices and that you've selected the correct HDMI input on your Roku TV. If issues persist, try updating your Roku TV software under Settings, then System Update. Another tip is to ensure the Spectrum box is authorized. If not, call Spectrum support. For smooth control, enable HDMI CEC in Roku's settings for automatic device detection. Remember, the Roku TV relies on the Spectrum box for the cable signal, as it doesn't have a built-in cable tuner.